Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I'm super excited to be guest designing for Club La La Land Crafts, and I'm excited for this month because they are actually turning 5. They're having a birthday party. This is their 5th year. And so today I get to share with you the contents of the August 2019 product kit for Club La La Land Crafts. There's 3 actually club kits in Club La La Land Crafts. Today I get to share with you like the big one that has the 2 stamp sets and the dies. But to celebrate their 5th birthday, they are having an Instagram giveaway. I encourage you guys to check that out. They'll be giving away $25 to the La La Land Craft store, and there are rules and guidelines to that, and if I'll link my Instagram down below. That way, if you want to head on over there, the rules regarding the giveaway will be over on Instagram. But I mean, lots of fun ideas and projects using this stamp set this month. A lot of fun guest designers, and if you are interested in this product kit, the deadline for ordering or purchasing it is August 29th to get the August kit. Of course, you can sign up anytime and get future kits, but to get this kit, it'll be August 29th, now until August. But I am going to go ahead and stamp out my images here to show you what they look like. Your product kit will come with a cover sheet that will be fully covered so you can see. But you can see the size of Marci. She is on the larger side, and she is so fun to color. She comes with quite a few birthday sentiments, and she's holding a little present, which is so cute. And then you get your second stamp set. Second stamp set is called From All of Us, and this set is so cute. It has almost every La La Land Craft critter that you can imagine, all bundled together for this celebration. So cute. I'm going to stamp this out and show you what it looks like. Your stamps are red rubber. They're quality red rubber. You can choose to leave them together, or what I like to do is separate them. But here's the From All of Us stamp set. Comes with happy birthday from all of us and congrats. Even has a little party hat there that you can add to each one of the little critters. But you have the moose and the hippo, the little poodle, which is just adorable, the panda, so fun. Now, also included in the product kit this month are your dies, of course. The dies this month, you get 5 dies. I want to show you guys that if they separate very easy. If you prefer to keep them together, that's fine, but I like to separate my images and sentiments. And if you use the cover sheet, the La La Land Craft cover sheet, it has a slick surface, and your stamps will stick to it. If you like to store your stamps this way, I think it's a great storage option. But I just separated them all, but now we get a look at the dies. This month you get quite a few, actually. I'm going to say 5 in total, but actually the number of balloons, there's 10 of them because you have 0 through 9. But you get a large balloon with a bow that you can use for the tail of the balloon here. They're easy to separate. And then this bow, actually, you could put in Marci's hair too. It's scaled to fit in her hair. If you prefer that also. You get the sentiment that says birthday, and each of those letters are individual. They're not connected, but they fit portrait style cards or landscape, which is fantastic. You get the happy and the present, and then you also, the balloons on the larger side also, and then here are your 10 numbered balloons. So tons going on in this kit. In the past, I was a Club La La Land Crafts design team member, and I was super excited to be asked to guest design. I think the products are so quality, and they are so much fun to color. If you love coloring, I think you'll want to check this out. So I'm already coloring. I'm coloring in with my Copic markers. I'm going to play a little music while I finish up, and when I'm done, I will catch you back. Okay, coloring is all done. Now I'm going to fussy cut her out, and I'm also going to color in and fussy cut out the From All of Us gang. I colored off screen just to save a little bit of time, but here they are. I did leave a little bit of a white border, but they are so cute. Now for Marci's present, I changed my mind on it and did a little paper piecing with this pattern paper. I just stamped the image on my pattern paper and then fussy cut it out and then glued it on the present that Marci was holding. This, I like the color combination better than what I had. So I kind of did a switcheroo on you. Okay, we're going to use some more pattern paper. So I'm going to die cut out the balloon and the present with this yellow polka dot pattern paper. And then I'm bringing in a rainbow stripe paper. I'm going to cut out a few strips of that along with another present that says happy on there. And then with white cardstock, I'll die cut out the balloon bow here, and then also the word birthday. Once all of my elements are die cut out, I die cut everything out for both cards today. So we're going to bring in some glue, and I cut a very small strip of white cardstock. We're going to place this behind the birthday present. This is going to make the word happy kind of pop a little bit more behind that pattern paper. I think black cardstock would have been nice too, just to make the word happy stand out a little bit more. But we'll glue our second present as well. And then we're going to work on our first card. So I trimmed down a piece of pattern paper that's 4 inches by 5 1/4. And we're going to go ahead and attach our bow to our balloon. That way I don't lose it. And then here's the pattern paper we're going to use for our background. I'm going to go use my tape runner and adhere that to a top folding A2 size card base. Place that in the center. And then the reverse side has a tan tone on tone polka dot. So I cut down a thin strip. We're going to pop this up with foam tape and adhere this a little bit towards the right of our card base. And then I did cut out about a 3/4 inch strip of the rainbow stripe paper. I'm going to follow one of the angles of the rainbow print and angle it on the right side, and then add that towards the bottom of our panel as well. The portion that was not overhanging or that was not on the polka dot pattern paper, I added a piece of foam tape to, so everything's nice and flush. Okay, we're going to add foam adhesive behind Marci. I doubled it up because I wanted her one layer higher, and she's going to go here on our card base. And then we'll add our balloon. While I'm adding the balloon, I did want to let you guys know that this month's kit, I was notified that there will be a little special gift for you guys, or a special little surprise in the kit this month. I'm told it's super cute, but I can't tell you what it is. But since it is a birthday party, you get a gift as well, which I think is so nice. And Club LLL Crafts also would love to see your inspiration over on Instagram. If you want to use the hashtag Club LLL Crafts turns 5, or no, Club LLLC turns 5. in your posts. Club La La Land Crafts would love to see your projects used with this kit. Okay, I did stamp the sentiment. It says sending birthday wishes. And I did just stamp it on white cardstock with black ink, and I just kind of tucked it underneath Marci. And then that's all we're going to do for card number 1. We're going to add bells and whistles after we get our second card done. For our second card, I'm using this pattern paper. I'm going to attach a thin strip of the rainbow stripe paper to the right side. And then this is going to go directly on our card base, and it's going to leave me a white border on the left and right. So it's the full length. It's 5.5 inches long. And then I went ahead and adhered that. We're going to pop up our From All of Us gang here. And then we're going to put, I'm not going to press down just yet because I wasn't sure about my placement. But I'm going to lightly place it in the center. And then I did die cut out the word birthday. Now, you don't have to do this, but I like the dimension that this added. But I cut out thin strips of foam tape. I'm going to go ahead and adhere that behind each letter of the word birthday, and adhere that right below the little From All of Us gang here. And I did kind of squeeze them together a little bit just so they'd fit on the pattern paper. But I love the way that looks. We're going to add foam adhesive behind each of our presents and put them in the top left corner, kind of tucking them underneath each other. Lovely. Okay, now all I'm going to do is add a little bit of shimmer and shine with some Nouveau glitter drops in White Blizzard. I went around the entire word birthday, so it's nice and sparkly. And then the hippo's shirt and our little poodle's bow, I added glitter to. And then along with the word happy on the inside of those presents, I added glitter to. And I did put dots of glitter on Marci's dress, so she has a nice little sparkly party dress along with the bow on the present that she's holding. And then I did highlight the balloon with some more of the glitter drops. But those are my 2 projects today, guys. I encourage you to check out Instagram and join us for the celebration. I'm super excited to be part of this, and I hope you guys are too. There is a chance again to win a $25 giveaway to the La La Land Craft Shop, which is super exciting. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.